Let's have a look at Alibaba stocks technicals from here. Today stock is down to 114, 6% down. So what's the likelihood that the stock is going to go test its all-time lows, which is 108 very recent lows, 52-week lows, and what's the likelihood that the stock is going to hit 100 and maybe go below? So let's have a look at that. So let's zoom out to daily chart. So this is a 30-minute chart I was watching today. So from here, if we see weakness, more selling, 107, 109, that was the 52-week low, flushing move down. So will this act as a support? And if it does go below, what's the probability? We're going to look at the option activity for that, but before we do that, let's quickly take a look at the 5-day moving average. So if you can see, stock has been trading below 5-day for a few days now and slipping below now, but we don't want to talk about the major moving averages, which is 50, 100-day, 200-day, because stock is still below those levels. And if we look at the MACD, it's still below zero, and momentum has slowed. It didn't it didn't take off of these 120 levels, because we saw this relief bounce from 108 to all the way 130. 130 was resistance, couldn't get back above. So another thing I want to mention here, after looking at the supports, so this is let me go back to 2014 with a maximum of a weekly chart. That's the only way I can show you guys. So this is a weekly chart. Every candle here represents 1 week of price action. So we don't have much of a support, particularly at $100 levels. It's just psychological number, right? Triple digit number. Maybe does have a little bit of a support over there, but we will be able to see it on a volume profile. But below that level, I'm gonna look at, well, we have talked about this level, $86, $85 level. That was a resistance after stock going pretty much public. It went all the way down to 57, and this level acted as a resistance for about 2 years, and then it did break out of that level, came back, tested it. So that's the only level I would watch, and I'm not saying that it might get there, it will get there, but we'll just take a look at the probability. What's the market pricing? So let's say by January 2022, January 21st, well, you may be thinking like, hey, can this stock go in 1 month, exactly 30 days from here, to $100? And those premiums are selling at the moment of this filming video for $3.25, and volume today so far traded for that strike is 4,000, open interest 38,000, and probability of that happening is 28%. So, and it's pretty high probability. Anything above 20%, there's a likelihood that you might see like that. Well, 30%, I mean, that's pretty high to me personally as an options trader, and I would definitely take those kind of trades. But for me, it's a little bit expensive because implied volatility is high, 80% right now. And what is the probability that this stock can flush down to 85 from there if it does slip 100? Well, option market is pricing 13% probability that that strike price will get in the money, $85. So that's the option activity. And today it's a bit early in the day, and if you look at the total put to call ratio, it's pretty much the same. So 62,000 calls were traded, 78,000 puts were traded, slightly higher puts were traded, and we still have half a day ahead of us. So, and that's it for this video. So there's nothing much to talk about. Resistance levels you guys know already, 130, and as a support I'm gonna be still watching 108. And also stock has earnings 1st of February, scheduled for 1st of February, but we'll see. But that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.